Welcome, today in front of me REALME C30 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock the device also. So 1, 2, 3. So the face unlock feature also works correct with the glasses and without them, so I have no any problem to unlock our device. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode or pattern unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.